Hey there, crypto fans. Welcome back to Cryptomania. I'm Josh, your go-to guide for the hottest headlines in the world of XRP. It's Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025. And if you're holding XRP or just watching this token, you'll want to stick around. Because the news today is jam-packed with fresh price predictions, major market moves, and regulatory advancements driving XRP's next big surge. Let's dive right in. First up, XRP is making waves across the crypto markets, with analysts and traders buzzing about a potential breakout. Just within the last 24 hours, XRP has been consolidating around the 2.08 level after a minor 1% dip, but the technicals and broader sentiment remain firmly bullish. So what's got everyone so optimistic? Analysts are pointing to a pronounced surge in network activity on the XRP ledger, with active addresses jumping more than 67% in a single day. This uptick signals renewed confidence and genuine usage of the network, a key indicator that big players are re-entering the market and that more transactions are flowing over Ripple's rails. But let's get technical. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez has identified an inverse head and shoulders pattern emerging on the XRP chart, a classic sign of a potential bullish reversal. According to Martinez, if this pattern confirms, the next major price target could be $2.70. And it's not just Ali Martinez. Another well-respected analyst, Dark Defender, is setting their sights even higher, forecasting a path to $3.75 if the current momentum continues. Now, if you've been following XRP's journey, you'll remember the mind-blowing 490% rally it saw in late 2024, when the price rocketed from just $0.49 up to $2.90. History often rhymes in crypto, and many are speculating we could see another explosive move if these key resistance levels are breached in the coming days. Speaking of breakouts, XRP just bounced 35% off its yearly low from April 7th and has pushed above both its 25-day moving average and a crucial descending trendline. This technical setup, combined with an RSI breakout over 50, has bulls targeting a run back to the year-to-date high of $3.40. That's roughly 60% above where XRP is trading right now. The big confirmation level everyone's watching? That's $2.70, which aligns with key Fibonacci resistance. But there's more to the story than charts and trend lines. Regulatory clarity has been a game-changer for XRP in 2025. The SEC dropped its long-standing litigation against Ripple back in March, which has freed XRP from a major overhang and opened the floodgates for new listings and institutional adoption. One of the most significant recent developments is Coinbase's launch of CFTC-regulated XRP futures just yesterday, following a similar move by Bitnomial last month. These new futures contracts, fully regulated and cash-settled, are a big step forward for XRP's legitimacy in the eyes of institutional investors. With more trading products, increased liquidity, and clearer regulatory guidelines, institutional capital is finding its way into XRP like never before. In fact, the bullish momentum and institutional interest have analysts discussing price targets once thought far off. Some are projecting XRP could double and eventually reach all-time highs of $4.50s within the year, with optimistic platforms like Telegram calling for a possible run at $5.87 by the end of 2025. Even the more conservative estimates have XRP approaching or surpassing its previous highs by 2026. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. XRP did make headlines again today after being named as an unregistered security in a new lawsuit targeting Coinbase. While this legal challenge adds a layer of uncertainty, it hasn't dampened optimistic sentiment among most traders, who point to the past year's regulatory progress and recent SEC leadership changes as strong tailwinds for the entire sector. Behind all these stories is a growing sense that the clock is ticking for XRP to reclaim its place among the top-performing crypto assets. The community is energized, analyst buzz is relentless, and as always, momentum can shift fast. So all eyes are on those key resistance levels and upcoming ETF decisions, which could catalyze the next leg up. That's going to wrap up today's XRP update here on Cryptomania. If you found this headline recap and analysis helpful, smash that like button, share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another breaking XRP story. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Josh, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for more XRP news, right here on Cryptomania.